How to use the loop browser. Once you're working on a project, go to the top right corner to the Apple Loop browser, click on it, and you'll find there's a selection and library of sounds and different loops that you can use. Some of them have an arrow pointing down. That means that you have to download it. Click on them to hear them. And click again to stop them. To use them, click and drag them to your track. Let's have a listen. You will see over here that you can choose them by instrument, genre, and different descriptions. Let's go for some drums. Click and drag. You can also select the scale that you want to check, or you can type in here what do you want. You can also have them arranged by name or by beats. If you're looking for something long or something short, there are different kinds of loops, as you can see over here, and some of them might only work with MIDI tracks. For example, this one. When you drag them, you'll see the whole MIDI section there.